We are on the way to 𝗪𝗿𝗿𝗃𝗃 waterfalls. On the way there, we passed by the famous historical 13 Kannada bridge. It was a really beautiful sight. We arrived there at about 1:30 p.m. There was a huge queue there and I almost fainted seeing it. There were lots of vehicles too. There was a huge spacious area for parking. So we bought tickets and it cost 235 rupees for all three of us. They don't accept cash, they only accept cards and online payment. Then we waited in the queue for about 1 hour. They take us to the waterfalls in a bus. And lots of cicadas were chirping on the trees as well, and it was extremely soothing. There are dress changing rooms for ladies and gents. They are also very, very cute. The water is extremely cold and pure with no weird gunk in it. There's lots of fish, the type that eats the dead skin cells off your feet, but since they were extremely big, their biting hurt a lot. And you can find lots of snails and river crabs hiding under the rocks near the shore. So we spent almost 1 hour in the river. It was absolutely awesome.